Ben here with 4-Wheel Parts is going to be the first one to hopefully successfully get through the deep mud pit here at Ryan's. Today, at least, but it didn't already say that. He's lining up, throwing those lockers on. All right, windows up, lockers on. All the guests out here have their phones out on record. There's gonna be no shortage of video of this endeavor here. All right. Uh-oh. It's about as deep as it goes. No, it's getting deeper. He's digging down. He's digging down. He's gonna make it. Yeah! How about that? Here's from the peanut gallery. Oh, nope. Yeah, we spoke too soon. He'll make it. He'll make it. There we go. Nice. Well, you know, the funny thing is, this is a Bronco day, and a Rubicon goes through it. All right, Manny here, who works as a sales manager at Southern Ford in Newport News. He has been out here before. He actually was out here on our kickoff day, and he's going to attempt to go through this deep mud pit. So let's see if he's going to make it or need a recovery. One way or the other, it's going to be fun to watch. Let's see how far he gets. Woo. Yeah, oh boy. Wow. Definitely pushing that mud out. He's going to make it. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good job, Manny. How about you next? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he stopped. If he's got any more in him. Difference between all-terrain and mud-terrain tires. Looks like we might have to get a recovery vehicle. Seeing movement. Oh, no, he decided to abandon. I'm going to give it some more beans, I suppose, this time. There we go. There we go. You're out. Yeah.
Hey everybody, this is David. We're out here at Ryan's Rowdy Ranch, out here for Bronco Day. We're getting ready to go wheeling. Got all these Broncos lined up. It's been raining all weekend, and we're gonna see what kind of muddy fun we can have today. All right, so we haven't even started wheeling yet, and the ground is so soggy that this Bronco just slid laterally right off the road into the hole. All right, so you're gonna need to be in drive. Are you in 4? Yeah, obviously. And you're just gonna wanna try and go just slow and steady forward while Jared pulls on you forward. So yep, just be trying to drive forward. All right, Jared, go ahead and take the slack out of it. I'll let you know once that rope is tight. A little further. All right, strap is tight. All right, you should be driving. Let's get you out of here. Give it a little more gas if you can help him out. Okay, all right. There's nowhere, I mean, we'll try that next. All right, he's just gonna give you a little pull. You ready? Okay. Hey, Jared, do you want to turn around? You want to back? We'll get the strap unhooked, back up, and get your front facing him and get you on dry ground so we can just winch him towards you.
Sorry, say that again?
You want to turn around so that, and get on dry grass so that we can just winch him to you? Okay. I think that might be easier.
His back, he's not even, his wheels aren't even touching on this side.
This right here is going to be dry.
Yes, yeah, I agree. Uh-huh. Do you need some help, Jonna?
I don't think so.
Did I say that right?
Jonna, yeah.
All right.
We're not, you're going to switch it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be easiest.
I'll put my ass in the knuckle. That
Huh.
would be pretty fun.
All right, we're going to switch to winching you because I don't think that, you mean just lateral sideways? I don't think that's an option. Either forward or backwards are the only way, unless we had heavy equipment to lift you up out of here. But we're almost out of forwards.
Where's the excavator?
I think if we just, let's try forward and then maybe drive into it. All right, so what was your name? Rick? Okay, I'm Dave. So Rick, once you start moving forward, I want you to drive towards your driver's side because that's gonna keep you from flipping into the pit. So I know you're gonna be going into the mud pit, but you're already in the deepest portion of it, and your engine's gonna stay up and out of it since that's the shallower portion of the pit. So everything should be just fine, just pulling you up, and you'll kind of slide into the pit, and then we'll get you right out of it. Does that make sense? Okay. That's why he's gonna drive into the pit. Ready, Rick? Yep, yeah. So as you start moving forward, you just want to drive a little towards the middle of the pit. Ready? Hold up, Jared. Well, no, the rope shackle wasn't attached properly.
Do you think maybe we should put a winch on his back to control? That's not to do it. Yeah. Like it's back on.
Feel like we're at a Bronco over with all these Broncos coming in with the headlights shining behind me. It's pretty cool to see.
Shows you the resilience of these Broncos. I'll tell you what, he comes out of this unscathed. It'll be impressive. I really don't like to see this. You got water coming out of his cab there. This is not what we like to see out here, but it does happen. Thankfully, we're in a controlled environment, and we've got services nearby.
Get that guy
I'm sure it won't be his last. We're getting,
Everything looks in good.
yeah, we're dry in there.
Goodness, look at all that blowing out from the door.
Yeah, I've got to actually clean those weep holes once in a while in my truck. They clogged up.
What do you do now?
Dang.
I went to New Jersey.
I want to show you guys this water line right here. That is something else. So he's gonna take a breather before he catches back up with the rest of the convoy. Wow.
Hey, this is Dave with Where to Wheel. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Please give us a like and or subscribe, and we'll keep making videos like this to help you keep enjoying off-road content.